Good morning children, welcome back to social class. As we already finished our block 15 local governing body. Today we are going to start our new lesson. Let's see what we have in our new lesson. Okay children, tell me, if anyone asked you any address on the road, how you are going to tell? Usually some people, most of us tell like take straight and then left and turn then right. Like this, in this way we will tell. For example, any person across you on the road and they ask how to go to the bus stand. If you were standing in front of our school, how you are going to tell? First you have to take a straight and then turn right side and then you go straight and then you take left. That will be railway station. This is how we are going to tell. But do you think always can we tell any kind of address by using left and right, front and back? Is it possible? For example, if you have to tell a far away address, do you think is it possible to tell the way by using turn left, turn right, take front, take back, move front, move back? Is it possible? No, all the time these directions won't help us to find the proper address, right? For example, when we can use this left and right, front and back, if any address is very near to us, if any position is very near to us, we can use this left and right, front and back. But what if we are how to find the exact location? How we are going to find exact location? By using what we are going to find exact location? Which are those directions which help us to find exact location, right? Today we are going to discuss. Okay, so what is the difference between the left and right and the perfect and the fixed directions? Okay, the relation between the left and right, front and back and fixed directions today we are going to learn in our lesson. To learn those things, first we have to see one activity. Shall we move? Okay children, this is the activity we are going to do. Here what you can see, yes, there are 4 stars and here we have one box, right? So for example, imagine that you have stood in here. Okay, where you have stood? You have stood near this star. Okay, so now I am asking you that keep a pencil here and move to your right hand side to 3 boxes. See, this is my right hand. So now I am moving 3 boxes from the star. 1, 2, 3. How many boxes I have moved from my right hand side? 3 boxes. Now if I ask you another, take 3 boxes and move front. From here you have to move front. How many boxes? 3 boxes. So from here again I am moving from 3 stars to reach this star. From this star to, for my aim is from this star to I have to reach this star. First what I did, from here to here I have taken 3 boxes. Right or left? This is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. Okay children, so from this box here, from this star to I am moving to 3 boxes, right? 1, 2, 3. Now what I did, I moved my front 3 boxes to reach this star. So again 1, 2, 3. Yes, again I have moved 3 boxes, front or back? Yes, this is my front. So I moved front to reach this star. So this is the way I reached this star. Is it easy? Yes, it is easy because I have only small distance to reach from this star to this star. So I have used left and right. Right? I have used the directions right and front. Right? For example, from this star to here I have to move. From this star to this star I have to move. Then what I supposed to do? Again I have to take 3 stars from the starting star. Right? 1, 2, 3. Then what I should do? Then I have to turn my right hand side or turn my left side? Yes, turn my left side. I told you now this is my left hand side. So from here 1, 2, 3. Again I moved my 3 boxes. So I have reached this star, right? For example, now if I have to move this star, then what I supposed to do? Again I have to move 3 boxes to my left hand side or right hand side? Yes, this is my left hand side. So I have to move my left hand. 1, 2, 3. So now what I have to do? I have to move back or front? Yes, this is my front side. Again I have to take 3 boxes. 1, 2, sorry, 1, 2, 3. Here again I have reached. So from here, then I have to reach again from my first start. Then what I supposed to do? Again I have to take 3 boxes, 1, 2, 3. Then what I supposed to do? I now here I have to move my right hand side. 1, 2, 3. Right? So this is how I have reached from the beginning place, and I have turned this right, front and left and again front and right. So this is the way I have used to reach from this star to again all the stars. So what are the directions here which I have used? I have taken the right side, I have moved front, and I have taken the left, and I have moved again right side. So this is kind of a confusion, right? Take 3 boxes to your right hand side, take 3 boxes to your left hand side. So do you think we have another easy method to do this? Yes, of course we have another easy method to do. Actually this activity you have to do in a class, but you are not available, so I am doing it. Okay, so now I am showing another box to you. Okay children, now I am showing another box to you. So here apart from the stars, now here in this box we are able to see some another words. What are those? What are these? North, south, east and west. What are these 4? North, south, east and west. Yes, these 4 are directions, right? North, south, east and west. Do you all remember we have used these directions to find the location? Yes, in map pointing, right children? We use these directions to find the places, find the states in our map pointing, right? Why? Okay, can anyone tell why we have now these directions in this box? Yes, to use these directions we can find the location very easily. Okay, what is the difference between this box and this box? Here we don't have a directions, but here we do have a direction. So I think it is very easy to do our activity. Let's start our activity. So now I am again asked you to from this star to reach this star. Then what you will tell? How you are going to tell? First what you are going to tell? Again we are going to use take right and move forward? No. What we are going to use? Yes. Take 3 boxes to your south. So which is my south side? Here I have a south. So take 3 boxes to your south. So here I am moving 1, 2, 3. Now how many boxes I have moved to my south side? 3 boxes. Now what I am doing? Again to reach this star, what I supposed to do? I have to move my east or north or south? Yes, this is my east side. This is my east side. So from this box to where I have to move? Again 3 boxes to my east. 1, 2, 3. 3 boxes to my east side. So if I have to move to this box, then what are you supposed to do? Again I have to take 3 boxes to my east side, right? 1, 2, 3. Now what I supposed to do? Yes, this is my north side. So which side I have to move? East or south side? No, I have to move my north side to reach the star. From east side to north side. This side is what? North, right? So 1, 2, 3. So this is my north side which I have turned from here to here. This is how I have reached this star. Now what I am doing? Again to reach this star, what I supposed to do? Again I have to take 3 boxes from my north side or east side? Yes, north side. 1, 2, 3. I have taken 3 boxes to my north side. Then what I supposed to do? Yes, I have to turn this side. This side comes which side? West side. So from here to I have to take another 3 stars. 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. From my north side to I have turned my west side to reach this star. Now if I reach to my starting point, then what I supposed to do? Again I have to walk 3 boxes my west side. 1, 2, 3. Then which side I have to turn? North or south? Yes, I have to turn my south side. 1, 2, 3. See, I have reached my starting point. So this is a easy method, or this is a easy method using right and left, front and back. Which one is easy method? Yes, I know. This is a easy method to reach the starting point, because here we have used very easy directions. What are those directions? South, east, north and west, right? So these directions helped us to reach these star points from, and again we have came back to our starting point. So did everyone understood, Nana? Okay, let's discuss on the blackboard. Okay, children, can anyone tell what is the difference between first box and second box? Why we have confused in first box and to second box? Yes, okay. To discuss, to know very with clarity, first you have to tell me which is my right hand side. Yes, which side I have my right hand? This side. So this will be my right hand side. And which will be my left hand side? Which side I have my left hand? This side. So it will be my left hand side. Right? So are we clear? This is my right hand side and this is my left hand side. Now, if I change my position, up to now I faced you. My face is exactly in front of your face. But now I am turning my back to your face. Now I changed my position. Now what I have? Now which side I have my right hand side? Now this side I have my right hand and this side I have my left hand. So this side became my right hand side and this side became my left hand side. So what exactly happened? What is the difference between 5 minutes back and now? Yes, 5 minutes back my right hand side is this side, and now when I turn my back to you, then my left hand side became my right hand side and my right hand side became left hand side. Right, Nana? When I face you, that time my right hand side is this one. My left hand side is this one. But when I changed my position, what I did here? When I changed my position, my left became my right and my right became my left hand side. So exactly what happened here? The left and right hand sides and my front and my back has changed because I have changed my position. Yes, when I changed my position, the left and right, the front and back also changed. So it is not easy to use my left, right, front and back to tell any addresses to any other person, because there will be change of the position when we change our places. The left, the right, the front, the back will always change when we change our position. When we change our position, this left, right, front, back also will change. Then what we supposed to do? Then we supposed to take fixed directions to tell any person to identify exact location. What are those fixed directions? Yes, east, west, south and north. These are the fixed directions, Nana. What we call them as? These are known as fixed directions. These east, west, south and north are called as fixed directions. Even we change our position, they will never change their position. That's why we call them as a cardinal directions. Right, children? So, what are the difference between these directions and these directions? These left, right, front, back are not fixed directions. These directions will change according to position of the person, right? According to position of the person. When we change our position, the left will become the right will become left, and the front will become back, and back will become front. So these won't help to find any location perfectly. But what about these fixed direction? North, south, east, west are known as fixed direction. They won't change their position. Even if we change our position, they will be easy to locate. These directions are known as cardinal directions. Why we call them as a cardinal directions means these directions will never change their position even if we change our position. If we know which is north, south, east, west, then it is very easy to find out any location, any place, any person, any address. That's why we call them as a fixed directions and cardinal directions. What is the meaning of fixed directions and cardinal directions, Nana? Fixed directions only called as a cardinal directions. So why we use them? If we use them left and right, front and back, it will be make us confused to find any location. But if we use north, south, east and west to locate any position, any place, it is very easy to locate any place because these are fixed directions. Any fixed thing will help us to find any place or any location, right? I hope everyone understood the lesson. Right? What is the difference between left and right and fixed directions? Not fixed directions and fixed directions. These left, right, front, back always change their places, their positions. If any person change their positions, they will also change their directions. But these north, south, east, west never change their position. Even if we change our position, that's why we call them as a fixed direction. And these fixed directions are also called as a cardinal directions. Now can anyone tell what are the cardinal directions? Yes, north, south, east, west. These four are called as cardinal directions. I hope everyone understood the lesson and I hope everyone understood the difference between the fixed directions and not fixed directions. Everyone please open your volume. Yes children, we are in block 16. Finding directions lesson and everyone open S1 in the page number 40. Yes, here we have one box and here we have given the directions of cardinal directions. See east, west, north and south, and here we have some symbols. So by using these directions you have to find out how to reach these symbols, which direction we have to move. Okay, here we have some questions. Okay, so what you supposed to do, you have to find out by reading these lines, you have to do on your own how to find these symbols. Okay, if we are standing on the square facing the diamond, then which symbol is to our left? For example, if we are standing on the square, where is the square here? Yes, and facing the diamond, here it is a diamond. If you are standing on the square and facing the diamond, then which symbol is to our left? That means you are this side. So my left will become this side. So this is how you have to imagine. Every time you have to imagine that you are standing on these symbols and according to that you have to give your answer, Nana. So now if I see this side will be my left. This is how you have to finish. Okay. Now read the second question. If you are standing on the square and your friend is standing on the diamond facing each other, that means you are facing each other's your face. What will be the direction? Write your answer in the box below. Okay, just write. Now, how are left right directions different from north south directions? How are left right directions and north south different? Now only we have learned what we call these left and right and what we call these north and south. What is the difference between these? Are called as fixed directions or not fixed directions? Yes, and these are called, yes, you know the answer very well. Give your answers, Nana. Okay. Everyone must do this one. Okay. Yes, this is very important for your exams. Everyone must practice this box and this one also. Don't forget to complete your volume and please send through WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you.